Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to see how to create a Google Sheet where we can import data from a sample CSV file. So first thing is we want to remove this CSV mokaru.com, and this is the place where I come for creating my data, as some of you may have seen me creating data over here. So let me go to car and car make. So we'll have the name of the person and the car that they are driving. We can have 20 rows of data, and it will be in a CSV format. So if I generate the data, it is going to create this CSV file, but rather than that, we want to click on preview, and on the preview, I just want to copy this, and I want to go to my and paste it here. Set, copy this, and that's sheet. And what we can do is we can go to view, freeze one row. That is going to freeze the top row. Okay, this much is good enough. Now what we're going to do is we're going to file and download this as a CSV file. Okay, so this is another way we can download this file as a CSV file, right? So once this file is downloaded, I'm going to wait for some time, and once the file is downloaded, yeah, I have the file downloaded here. I'll go to my Google Drive and I'll simply drag and drop the file here. And as you can see here, file is uploaded, and I'm going to rename and say it as data.csv. Okay. Once my data.csv is ready, I created a new Google Sheet in the same folder. And now I can add a sheet and just go ahead and delete the sheet, right? And call it all place. Now I'll go to extensions and add script. And in the app script, I usually copy the sheet name and give it to the project name. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a function which you're going to call as import CSV from Google Drive. Basically, this function is going to uh, get the data, and I have the code for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste here so it saves some time. So I'm going to declare a file which is data.csv, which is the file we have put here as the file that we are looking for. And I'm going to parse that file now and get the CSV data by parsing the CSV file. Then I'm going to go to the spreadsheet, get the active sheet, and there I'm going to set the data. So for example, instead of this, we can also do that active dot get sheet by name, sheet one is better. I'll comment this line, and I'm going to save this and run this. Once I run this, it's going to ask me for the permissions, and I'm going to accept the permissions. Okay, now go here and we can see I'll delete the data, and I'll go here and run the script, and the data is automatically getting populated. So that's how we import the data from the Google Sheet. But we want to do it from a menu as usual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a function called onOpen. And on this function, I'm going to call this method, and I'll say create a menu item here called import CSV, and there I'm going to add one more row called add item, and finally I have to add it to the UI, right? So I'll add it here and here. Okay, now when I run this, okay, I'll go here. I can see the menu is already present here. So I can delete the data here and go here and say import data. And the data is coming here. So I'm going to share this data sheet with you, and look in the comments below. Basically, I'll be putting it on my website Sheets projects, and here it will be again a free project, so you'll be able to access this sheet absolutely free. You just have to go to that link and fill up this form and place an order. This is a free item, so it will not be asking for credit card number. You can also check out my other projects here. Most of them are nice projects, some of them are free, and that way you can get access to a lot of interesting projects quickly. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope have a nice day. Thank you.